सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे ट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ JSW होल्डिंग Q3 रिजल्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर 26 नेट प्रॉफिट रेस 1% YoY EPS at 17.67 JSW holding report Q3 financial year 26 results on net profit of 1,962 and lakhs and the EPS of 17.67 consolidated profit boosted by estimated income. Mumbai, January 29, 26. JSW Holdings Limited, the Strides Investment Holding company of the JSW Group, announced it is the unaudited financial result for the third quarter. In the December 31, 2025, the company reported a standalone net profit of 19.62 crore for Q3 financial year 26 and marking an increase from 19.40 crore in the same quarter last year. Financial highlight: Standalone and Q3 financial year 2026 vs Q3 financial year 2025. Net profit 19.62 crore up from 19.60 crore. Total income 32.66 crore up from 29.22 crore and earning per share 17.67 or total comprehensive income surged to 285.72 crore from a loss of 4,224.92 and crore Q3 financial year 2025. For 9-month performance April-December for the 9-month period, the standalone net profit stood at 98.90 crore. Total comprehensive income from 9M financial year 26 was a robust 2,339.66 crore, reflecting the strong foundation gain in its investment portfolio and consolidated result, including it is a shareholder profit or associated like Sun Investment Private Limited and the Jindal Coastal Steel Private Limited. The consolidated net profit of for Q3 financial year 2026 was 32.12 crore. Consolidated EPS stood at 28.94. For key drivers of performance, core revenue stream, the company has income driven by the interest income 30.17 crore and dividend income 51.80 crore and 9M. From it is the strategies the investment in group companies. Investment portfolio gains the standout feature of the result is the sustainable fair value sales in the equity instrument, the contributing the 26.61 crore to other comprehensive income for the quarter and 224.08 crore the 9-month period. One-time exceptional item, the result include the exceptional expensive of 2.71 crore related to the one-time impact of the implementation of the new labor codes, which were notified in November 2025.